Okay, there's lots of different woods out there that you can use to smoke. We smoke with oak, hickory, mesquite. I use the mesquite. It's the most available. Pecan is really good. Apple is good, but it's usually used for pork. Pecan is my favorite. The reason why I like pecan is because it has the taste of mesquite, but it doesn't have the quite zingy, real smoky flavor. It's more of a sweet flavor. You would, if you used apple, you use less barbecue sauce or less apple cider vinegar. You get a really good, you get a really good smoking flavor out of pecan wood. If that's not available and you can get mesquite, you can't pick up pecan at any grocery store, but usually you can find a bag of mesquite just about anywhere. Hickory's okay, you know, if you like the Kansas City style, it'll give you that hickory smoke flavor. All woods are good to smoke with. Most fruit trees are good to smoke with. I've even tried pear wood, but it's so small and limited that it's hard to get a hold of, and not many people are going to volunteer to chop down their pear trees. There's not that many around. So anyway, my preference is pecan wood. Try that, and I think that most of you will agree.